Hi! Welcome to Marian Lesson Channel! Welcome to our caravan, guys! Magandang umaga, magandang buhay! It's a beautiful day, guys! So, dito po kami, guys, nag-camping in the last 3 nights. So, mga 3 araw na po kami dito nag-camping at napakaganda po dito.
I'm eating in the with me.
Yay! Good job, Esther! Mag-coffee lang ako, guys.
Ron,
Ayan.
I hear waterfall.
Huh?
It's a waterfall.
It's a waterfall.
Yeah, because it's a river. We're next to the river, darling.
You like that sound?
This one.
Oh, we're gonna use this one in the river. We have to finish the breakfast first. Come on. Grabe, ang ganda po ngayon, guys. Kasi in the last 2 days, grabe yung ulan. Grabe yung dumi ng aming karaban. Linis talaga kami ng linis. At saka, guys, wala po talaga ditong internet. Hello guys! Nandito na po tayo sa river. So makikita nyo guys, ang ganda talaga dito. Mahulog tayo, tawan darling.
I can't find rocks.
Oh my God! Sweet, sweet, one more. Where's your boat, darling? Balance. Give me all the flat, daddy. I show you how to make it flat. Mister, have to make it balance.
You're in the water splat.
There we go. Wow! Very good.
A hammer.
Huh?
Bang, 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 bang.
Bang,
Bang,
No, don't do that.
Bang!
And now the boat's going.
bang, bang.
Choo-choo!
And I washed it.
It, darling? The boat? Where's your boat?
Yeah, the boat. The boat. It's the boat. There is the boat, Mommy. It's the boat, Mommy.
Boat?
The boat is the boat. Mommy, there's something boat. There is right there. I need to wash. Wash, 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 wash. No.
It's not a tunnel, darling.
Yeah, the tunnel.
Hi guys! Magluluto po ako ng lunch. Dito lang ako nagluluto sa apoy guys para makatipid po kami sa gas. Kasi wala po kami ditong electricity. Unpowered site po dito kasi nandito kami sa bush. As in literal, walang mga bahay dito guys. Ayan, luto na ata yung beef natin. Parang medyo crispy a little bit. Ito na naman yung rice ang lulutuin natin. That's perfect. So yung rice, lalagyan ko lang po ng mga gulay para mas healthy. At si Sylvester at David, naglalaro pa rin guys. Sylvester have so much fun po dito kung saan kami nagka-camping. Ayan. Alam niyo po guys, kung magkano po dito mag-stay, it's $1 per night. So mga 36 pesos to camp here. So hindi po kasi lahat ng camping area ay libre. So kagaya dito ay national park, kailangan po namin magbayad. Pero maganda po siya guys kasi hindi po siya mahal. May mga national park po talaga na mahal yung charge. Sometimes $20 per night. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo guys kung anong meron po dito. So of course, meron po ditong barbecue area. Like meron pong lamisa, meron pong toilet, and meron din pong tubig. Like drink water po talaga guys. Meron pong drink water doon na area. Pero wala pong shower. Kailangan mo talagang maligo sa river. Malamig. So meron naman pong national park na meron po talagang shower. So nakadepende lang po guys kung saan po kayo mag-camping. Ito guys, yung niluto natin sa kahoy. Sariwa yung hangin, malamig. So, kahit may araw, mainit, malamig yung hangin. Hi guys! Kukuha lang tayo guys ng tubig. Ayan guys, meron po akong container dito. Mag-iigib po tayo ng tubig. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo, meron po kaming water tank inside the caravan. Mga 50 liters. Kaso guys, hindi po namin nalagyan ng tubig when we come here to camp. Pakita ko po sa inyo guys, yung water tank po namin. So, bubuksan lang po namin ito. Wala po akong key. Let's go guys! Nandito po si David. Hi, Honeybee! Papakita ko po sa inyo guys yung facilities dito sa campsite. Meron po ditong toilet kasi walang shower. Sa likod po natin meron din nagka-camping. Nandito po yung toilet dito. Kasi napakadaming nagtatanong, saan kayo gumagamit ng toilet dyan sa caravan nyo? Kasi walang toilet sa caravan po namin. Ayan po guys, sa likod po ay toilet po yan. Huwag nyo nang tingnan guys. Pari-pariho lang naman eh. Bowl is bowl. Kukuha po kami ng drinking water kasi we're running out of water at panghugas na din po ng plato. Meron ditong malaking barbecue area. Meron 2 picnic table. At dito naman po sa likod ay electric barbecue. So, dito po tayo magkukuha ng tubig. At dito po sa likod ko ay river. What is it?
It's in a fire.
Oh no! There's a fire! You better get the fire water! Hurry up! Guys, kakagising lang. Laro agad.
Fire.
Good job! Wow! High five! Boing! Parang ako na yung bata naglalaro. Look, Sylvester! Ah. There we go. Going to the grass. It's not working, darling. Daddy to the rescue! Daddy to the rescue! Oh dear! Go get it, Daddy! Go, Daddy! Oh no, it's going away! The bucket is gone!
You know, it went under and then it came up again.
It's gone! Tinapon mo! Why you threw away? No more bucket, it's gone. So pag nagka-camping po kami sa showground, caravan park, meron po kaming electricity, running water, shower, and toilet. At meron po kaming running fridge of course para makasurvive yung mga pagkain namin guys, yung mga gulay po namin. So yung fridge po namin sa likod, it run by gas. Or paano namin gamitin yung fridge by gas? So dito guys, may mga settings po dyan. So parang lighter yung isa, tapos sinisindihan po namin. And inside po, makikita po namin yung apoy. So I'm not sure guys, kung makikita nyo, ipapakita ko po sa inyo. So inside po guys, mayroon pong flame po dyan. Ibig sabihin po, yung fridge ay gumagana and it run by gas. Nung binili namin ang fridge na ito, ay ganun na po siya. So parang design po talaga siya. If you want to camping, so, ayan guys, turn on ko lang po yung light sa ilalim po ng caravan. So, ito po ay galing po ito sa ring light. So, yung ring light ay nasa inside ng caravan. And ito po yung aming solar. Ayan, makikita nyo po yung batteries. And ito naman po yung connection direct from the batteries. So, i-plug in ko lang to guys para meron na pong light sa ilalim ng caravan. So, after that, i-turn on ko lang po. Ayan, meron na pong light. Hi, Sylvester! And ayan guys, meron na po tayong light sa inside ng caravan. Ito po yung light po namin. Actually, it's a ring light. Ay, yung bata kumakain ng avocado. At meron din po ako mga YouTube equipment po to guys. It's very useful. Dahil wala po kaming electricity. Ayan, meron din po kaming extra light. Hi!